Well, one of our users has kindly sent this drawing in, and it illustrates a very efficient way to work with gCADPlus, but I'd like to point out that there are a few deficiencies here and some risks. What's been done is, in a single file, in a single gCADPlus file, different designs for different clients have been done, and if we look at some of the layouts, let's look at layout 9 and let's double click in here and I'll zoom out so you can see in that area there's a design for one client. Let's display it on the layout and come back to model space. Let's just zoom in here. So here's a design for a different client. Anything that this user finds useful has been popped into model space and can be copied, dragged and repositioned in different designs. The risk is that the file might, for whatever reason, become corrupted. The file itself is very large, nearly 3.6 megabytes in size, so performance is going to be slowed somewhat. I think the layout tabs need to be renamed with perhaps the client's name. But if I look at this piece of hatching here and just click on what I thought would be a polyline, can you see it's been broken up? So the individual picked them. These polylines in the hatching have been all broken up into short line segments. There are 100 short line segments just in the area that I've selected. So let's unselect all and zoom back out. The other thing that might be at risk is the images to illustrate the designer's intentions have been put in model space here, and so that's an image referred to as stone wall. Of course, because I don't have those images, I can't see it there. If you go to Format and Images, you can see the designer here is carrying a very long list of images which are associated with different parts of the design. So there are a couple of things I think I would do is to separate out each individual job. You can still have a drawing such as this and copy using the copy to clipboard and paste into each new design for a new client. The other thing I would do is make absolutely sure, if you're going to work this way, to use the incremental save, because the potential for corruption of this file I think is quite high, and you want to make sure that you've got multiple copies of the file so that you can recall should something dramatic go wrong.